to my channel, and I'm bringing you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. I think it actually, that Ibotta has stepped up. This is the best haul I have done all month with Ibotta. I am starting to say I probably will not finish level 4, but I did finish level 3, and I'm excited to see, or to share with you guys what I got. One thing I do want to mention, I got my Coupon Addict t-shirt. I know I wear this a lot lately, but I will be posting that video on Wednesday morning, so be prepared to get your guys' shirts. You guys will have 2 weeks to get your shirts. The sizes go from, I think, extra small to 3X. There's 4 different types of shirts. There's 2 t-shirts, a tank top, and a sweatshirt. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that. But I designed the shirt, and I'm pretty excited to share with you guys so we all can wear the same shirt. But Walmart was actually pretty good. I had all my coupons scanned just fine, no problems, and I think this is a really good haul. So the deal that you guys need to do right away is the Tic Tac Gum deal. Now hopefully you guys have some of those 50-cent off coupons. I only had one, so I just used one, but these babies are $1.14. There is a deal right now where if you buy one you get $1 back on Ibotta, making it just 14 cents a piece. That is a great deal. It is a limit of 5. I'm probably going to be giving away gum Tic Tac for Halloween this year, but I ended up getting 5 of each flavor. So if you guys have that 50-cent coupon, if you guys don't have the coupon, you guys would pay $1.14. If you guys did have the coupon, you guys would just pay 64 cents for these. But then you guys want to submit $1 rebate times whatever you guys buy, and there are 3 different rebates. You guys would end up getting each one for just 14 cents. Or if you use that coupon, it'd be a 36-cent moneymaker. So I could not pass up this deal. I was so excited to finally get into Walmart and doing this. If it does reset, I might probably go back and get more because this is a great deal. I highly doubt it'll reset, but hey, you never know if it will. I ended up getting the Whole Fruits frozen juice is what it is. It's like a popsicle. These were $2.98. I used that $1 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. I think the May 20th. Red Plum or Smart Source, I can't remember. You guys would just pay $1.98 for this. But then you guys can submit $1 rebate on Ibotta. And you guys can submit $1 rebate on Shekel 51. So this ends up becoming a 2-cent moneymaker. So yes, I had to get this. Ben actually likes these. I don't know if it's, oh, it's 90% juice. I don't know how good they are for you.
Yeah, and it's got frozen particles.
What'd you say? What do you
say? Frozen particles.
Frozen popsicles, so frozen popsicles. So we got that for free.
Then we got that for free.
Okay, so I ended up getting the Heinz Real Mayonnaise. Now I ended up getting
peanut butter.
It's mayonnaise.
The peanut butter.
Okay, but I ended up getting a free coupon from Pinch Me. I have yet to post that video, but I will be posting that in a couple of days. But that coupon was for free up to $4. So this was the largest one they had. This was $3.48. I used that free coupon that I got from Pinch Me. I ended up paying nothing for this. Plus you guys get a 50-cent rebate for this. And I also got 34 points for Fetch Rewards, which I highly recommend getting if you guys have not joined that. That's one of my second favorite apps. So for me, this ended up becoming a 50-cent moneymaker. So I got this absolutely free, and I made some. So pretty excited. And the jar is kind of different, and that's what I like about it. So went with that. Got the Palmolive Dishsoap. I didn't have enough coupons to do this deal again at Walgreens, but I really wanted to do some Ibotta deals because a lot of you guys are slacking just like I am. Like we all said, this is a bad month, so I just wanted to try to push to get more rebates. So this was $1.98. I used that 25% off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $1.73 for this, but then you guys will get a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this $1.23. Not the greatest deal, but I wanted to share with you guys deals for Ibotta in case you guys have some extra coupons lying around. One of you guys had like $1 off coupon, which I was jealous. I ended up getting the Crunch Master crackers. Now these were $2.78. I used $1 off coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com. You guys would just pay $1.78 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, and you guys can also submit a $1 rebate on Checkout 51, making it a 22-cent moneymaker. So can't go wrong with free crackers. I am not a big fan of these kind of crackers. I don't know, stuff with seeds and stuff kind of weird me out, so I give them to people who need them. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Now this is what I'm gonna do a video for you guys. I ended up, and I am not including this in my haul, but I ended up finding Nickelodeon slime sauce. It just says it's ketchup, but it's green. I had to get it. I'm gonna do a taste test video. I'm probably gonna do it blindfolded to see what tastes better between the ketchup and this stuff. So stay tuned for this, but I just wanted to get it. This was like $2.18, but I want to get it just to share. Why not? Why not? Yeah, I know. I know you guys are like, ew, it's gross, but sometimes it's just dyed. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I ended up getting, I did the McCormick deal. Now, they had like the Grill Mates thing where if you bought like 3 items, you would have gotten $3. Where those little dollar packets no longer qualify for it. So I'm like, okay, what can I get? Well, the first thing I looked at was like the McCormick barbecue or Grill Mates. So this was $1.72. I didn't need this, but I'm like, I'm going to try to get a variety of things because I don't want to get 3 of the same stuff. So this was $1.72. I got the barbecue flavor. I got the smallest bottle of Frank's Red Hot sauce. Now this was $1.18. And then I ended up getting the smallest bottle of the French's mustard. And this was $1.38. So all 3 of these came to $4.28. There's that 3 off of 3 deal on Ibotta. You guys would end up getting all 3 of these for $1.28 or just 43 cents a piece. And I think that's a great deal, 43 cents. And these are the smaller ones, so you don't have to worry about it, you know, going to waste as much if you don't use a lot of this stuff. So definitely wanted to share with you guys on that deal. My husband's going to be super excited that I got him some stuff. So had to go with that. I finally got the Colgate Mouthwash in stock, but they only had 1. This was $3.57. I used $1 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $2.57 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 57 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. So I was excited to finally get the smaller bottle of the Colgate mouthwash. My store's been sold out for like the last couple times I went to check it. I ended up getting Aquafresh Toothpaste because, yeah, because this was $1.67. There is a 50-cent off coupon that you guys can print from Aquafresh. You guys would just get this for $1.17. But then there is a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 17 cents. Now, usually you shouldn't pay for toothpaste, but I think 17 cents for a tube of toothpaste is a pretty good deal. I mean, it's nice to go and change things up instead of getting the same Crest and Colgate. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up getting this 4-toe coffee shot. Now, some of the deals I wanted to do that are freebies on the app, my store does not have it. So I'm just letting you guys know. But I found this in the coffee aisle. So this was $1.98. You guys would pay $1.98 for this. But then you guys can submit $1.98 on Ibotta, making this absolutely free. So it's basically a Hershey's chocolate latte coffee shot. It's 100, I don't know, it's like drinking 1 cup of coffee is basically what it is. I don't drink coffee. My husband will probably drink this. But the one thing I think it is, I think the bottle's like super cute. It's got your little cover on it. Yeah. Hello, Liquid Courage. So I think that is super cute. I mean, I wish I liked this stuff, but I had to get that. I just had to. I got the Visine, sorry, I got the Visine eye drops. Now this is in the travel section. Also, speaking of the travel section, my store did not have those Flex 5, so if you guys mention about it, I already know about it. My store didn't have it, so I know it was an easy freebie. I checked everywhere, could not find it. But these were $1.97. You guys would pay $1.97 for this. You guys will submit a $1.25 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 72 cents. I don't know if that's a good deal or not, but hey, I wanted to get some deals for Ibotta. I feel like I'm missing some stuff, but I'm not. This is my last and final item. I ended up getting the Bounty Essentials, but I had to get the ones with the pretty things on it because, you know, it's summer. So, this was, sorry, I almost dropped it. This was, I lost my spot. Where the heck did I write? $5.74. I used a $1.50 off coupon that we got from coupons.com. You guys would just pay $4.24 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta. Now, some of you guys said you didn't have it, or some of it was a little bit different, but Ibotta is different for everybody. But you guys would get this for just $2.24. That comes out to be just a little bit less than 50 cents a roll. So I definitely wanted to do that because I like to stock up on paper products. I have so much paper products, but that stuff never goes bad. And, you know, it's nice to have just in case you need it. But yeah, I was going to do the B&B deal again. A lot of you guys said you couldn't find that. My store jacked up the prices, so I will no longer be doing that deal. Plus, they didn't have it in stock anyways. But yeah, just a couple things I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to do that Rubbermaid thing again, like I've done in my past Walmart videos. But my store was sold out of both sizes, so I decided to pass. But I will definitely go back and do it. I got to find more of those coupons because that stuff is going to be expiring soon, and you can't give away. I love giving away that stuff, so I'm like obsessed with this. I used to watch Nickelodeon. I'm like a huge Nickelodeon thing. I actually want to do the Nickelodeon box. I told the husband, I'm like, I've just been reminiscing Nickelodeon. You know, I write to me, Stiggly. So I don't know. I'm collecting Nickelodeon stuff. And I don't know, it's just kind of cool. So stay tuned if you guys are interested in the Nick box. I know a lot of you guys might not, but it'd be cool to live your memories.
I saw that the thumbs up going.
Oh, he's telling you guys to give this video a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So my total came to $37.
We got Tic Tacs.
Yeah, $37.16. I ended up getting $27.23 back with Ibotta. If you guys are friends with me on Facebook, you probably saw that. If you guys want to be my Facebook friend, you guys can. I only ask for you guys to be my friend for Ibotta only. If you live outside of the United States, I will not accept you. If you look weird or to me, I will not accept you. But if you guys are legit and I think you're weird, just friend request me and I'll add you. But I get some real winners who live on the other side of the world, you know, and it's just like, you guys don't have Ibotta. I know you guys don't. So, but you guys can be my friends. I love it. I love if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns. You guys have a better way of finding out that stuff. But again, enough with me chit-chatting. $27.23 back I got from Ibotta. I ended up getting $2 back with checkout 51. Now, if I did this haul yesterday, I would have gotten a $2 or $3 bonus, but I didn't, and it's okay. I ended up finishing the level up number 3 bonus, so I got a $5 bonus with that. I also finished level 3 for June, so I got $2 for that. So if you guys add everything up, I ended up getting all that stuff for 93 cents. How awesome is that? 93 cents. I got 27 items. That comes out to be just 3 cents a piece. So, yes, I will take my whatever for 3 cents a piece. I was pretty excited. I haven't had a good haul at Walmart in a very long time, and I think this is actually a pretty decent haul. I think, I don't know if I'll do another haul. I may or may not. It just depends. I need 24 more rebates to finish level 4, and I have like 5 days. I don't think that's going to get done, but I just wanted to let you guys know with that. But I hope you guys enjoyed my Walmart haul. I love sharing with you guys what I got, and I hope you guys do just as awesome. And I will see you guys later. Also, stay tuned. Check out Wednesday's video for the shirts, you guys. I'm so excited. A lot of you guys are excited to get these shirts. And I am super excited to share with you guys so we can all be cool together, because I want to be like the cool kids. Enough with me chit-chatting, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye!